Okay, y'all. What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome to Naya's World. Your girl is back with another video. Yes, ma'am. So it's currently 9:03 a.m. and I'm waiting on my laptop to get here. It's supposed to be coming today before 8 o'clock. Hopefully it doesn't come at 8 o'clock at night. But yeah. So it's in transit in Memphis, Tennessee. It's like on the way here, I guess, or whatever. So when it gets here, we're gonna see y'all, because I'm not gonna talk yet. We're just gonna get straight into this video, okay? Period. What's up, y'all? Your girl MacBook Air has arrived. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In the ham. So, as you already could tell from the title, I'm doing a little different video today. Today's gonna be doing an unboxing video. So yeah, so I kind of like already unzip the box. I don't know if y'all gonna see that part or not, because like I have to move the ring light because, as y'all know, I need a new one. If you don't know, why didn't you watch my last video? But yes, so it came in this box. I don't want to show shipping information and stuff, but yes, let's get into it. So, ooh, y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Like, oh my god. Oh my oh my god. Okay, let me stop being over dramatic. So let's see if anything else came in these books. No, it did not. Okay, so gotta get a good thumbnail, but we're not even gonna stall. We're just gonna get straight to the point. Let me see if y'all can see it. Yes, ma'am. This is the new MacBook Pro Air 2020. This is the 13-inch. I got silver. I wish I would have got gold, but it's okay. It's okay because we okay, and we're just on what? That's just on period. So let's go ahead and start unwrapping. This is so satisfying. Okay. So yes, let's take a closer look. So let's get the it won't come off. It won't come off. Okay. But yeah, y'all, so I'm trying not to run this video by being too quiet, but I don't want to be loud because everybody in this house, well, not everybody, but I don't know, I'm going to record with all these people in the house. Y'all, it smells weird. Like, it smells weird. Okay. So before we get into the MacBook, we're going to talk about the accessories. So they gave me a, y'all, my cousin called and interrupted, but yes, this is the box that it comes with. And then like you little thing, you know when you like buy like Apple product, they give you stuff. So it says designed by Apple in California. So it's like a little handy booklet. If you ever bought an Apple product, you know what I'm talking about. It's just telling you about the MacBook or whatever. So I believe I got 64 gigabytes. And I did buy Apple coverage. It was $259, I believe. They give you some Apple stickers. And yeah. They gave me a charger also. Obviously, Shania, they gave you a box. Yeah, I don't even think this is a charger. Like, I know what a charger looks like, but this don't look like a charger. At all. I'm a little confuzzled. But it's all that come with it. We're gonna see when they open now. We're gonna see. But I mean, I've used a MacBook before, but the charger didn't look like this. So we're gonna see about it. We're gonna see. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Coronavirus! Okay. Let's take this wrap off. I really don't want to take it off. Because, like, now it can get dirty. It can get scratches. I hate... I'm sorry, y'all, but I hate that noise. It just feels like somebody scratched my baby. Hello. Maybe I can see the little apple sign. Ah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Now, let's open it together. You ready? Are you ready? Y'all, it's turning on already. Okay, y'all, I'm really too excited for nothing, but yeah. It's turning on. So now, it want me to set it up, so I'm gonna do it the best way that y'all can see.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Y'all, I did not think it was gonna do that, but return. Can y'all see? Or is this better? I think that's better. So we're gonna press English because that's the language I speak, okay? Because period. United States. Obviously, I live in the United States. Continue. And I'm gonna go set up the Wi-Fi, so I will be right back. So I'm currently waiting for this to connect or whatever. I hope I didn't put the wrong password in, because y'all, I be acting a little slow sometimes, you know. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for this to connect. So I'll be right back with you guys whenever it does. So yeah. Okay, so since y'all couldn't like see with the ring light, we're gonna do it like right here. So I guess it's better. So transfer information to this Mac. Well, I don't have any information to transfer from another MacBook. So we're going to put in my Apple. Okay, y'all. So I had to get a phone verification thing because, yeah, I forgot my password and I was putting in the wrong Apple ID. But use of your... By clicking you agree, be bound to these terms, blah, 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 blah. I agree. I have read and blah, blah, blah. I agree. Alright, fill out the... I'll have to create a computer account. Alright, so let me create that. Alright, continue. Yeah, I don't know why this is so slow. Oh yeah, y'all, so since my laptop is here, I might be doing some more skits like I used to. Y'all, I really do not know why this computer going so slow, but would you like to use the iCloud keychain on this Mac? Y'all, I don't even know what that is. Oh, keeps it just tells me right there. See, this is what you get when you don't read. Allows find my iPhone. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Y'all, like, it just stopped recording. I don't know what's wrong. I need a new phone, y'all. I'm probably gonna get the 11, but I was thinking about also getting the camera, so I don't know. I might get both. Who knows? Why I look like that in the back? Oh, duh, Shania. You got... Okay, series, yeah. We could set out Hey Siri later. Not now. I don't really need Siri, to be honest. I don't even use it on my phone, y'all, so I'm not really worried about that. So yes, y'all, this one has the Touch ID user fingerprint to unlock your Mac. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna have my I always use my thumb, so I think I'm gonna use my thumb. All you do is press it. Oh, it's done. Continue. Apple Pay. I don't even have Apple Pay on my phone. Next. Okay, I'm gonna stop moving the camera. I really am. Alright. Oh, it want my security code to my card number. So you can choose light, dark, and auto. So I think I'm gonna choose. You can always change this by going to system preferences. I think I'm gonna choose light, y'all. I'm not a light person though, but I think I'm gonna choose light. That don't make sense, but yeah. Your app automatically adapts to change colors. Okay. So yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Alrighty, y'all. So it's all set up. So I'm just gonna go over the things that I got with this MacBook, so you will know. And I think we're gonna end this video. So, do you want to install and update? Okay, I guess it can install. Alright, I'm just gonna install the update. I don't know why I didn't install the update already. But alright, y'all, so the MacBook Air 2020 is very thin, as y'all can see. And it's pretty light. It says it's more powerful than ever. It has twice the performance, faster graphics, double the storage capacity, and it has a Touch ID. So, yeah. After I use this, I probably do a 2-week update because I probably won't be able to use it as much. But yeah, I'll have like a little 2-week update or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos with the MacBook or any just type of certain videos. Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.